I'm loving the haircut. My hair feels fresh. If you see how it looked before, it was very dry and yellow. Now it's more... Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this product right here, which is the Revlon Salon One Step hair dryer and volumizer. I used it two different ways. One with my hair wet and also with my hair dry. And you guys are going to see the process. And I will also let you guys know my thoughts and opinion which way I prefer this product best. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside, and also I'm going to fix this hair because it's not looking cute at all. Okay. This is pretty much how it looks like. Okay, so the hairbrush only has 2 speeds, which is low or high, but you can also have some cool air instead of the hot one. Let me check on the box and see how much it is that it heats up when it's hot. I'm trying to see if it says anything on the box, but it actually does not say anything about what the actual temperature it is for this product. But let me see. Well, actually I cannot find it. So I'll let you guys know right now. It's supposed to make it very smooth and soft. My hair is dry, but you can also do it with wet hair. I think it's recommended to do it with wet hair. I took a shower early in the morning. We had to be somewhere. I didn't have time to do my hair, so that's why I'm doing it now. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. It has 2 different types of bristles. And as you can see, this is going to add shine into your hair. And we're going to spin it. It doesn't spin by itself. You're going to actually have to like put in the work. Okay, so we're going to turn it on and see how loud it is. I'm going to do it on the lowest first. It's pretty hot. And that's the highest. The second one is the highest. The first one that I showed you was the lowest. And right here is cool. Right away I see the difference. Look at that. I'm gonna keep going and show you guys the final look. Okay, I'm gonna actually brush my whole hair just to speed it up because it is a little tangled, and that's gonna help me with the brush. You can also put some heat protector for your hair before you use this product, just so that your hair doesn't get too damaged. I do need to cut my hair pretty soon. Maybe I'll do it after this. I can just do it myself. Okay. So let's do this back part. I'm gonna go over because right here I'm not liking how it's looking, but there you have the difference. This is my hair like naturally how it goes when it gets dry after I take a shower. Well, I actually had it in a ponytail, so. The hair feels really hot, so this gets pretty hot. I want to say like probably 450, 475. I have to check it out online and see how much it is that the temperature gets up to, but it feels pretty hot. Okay, and my thoughts so far, this is definitely a good product for someone who doesn't have the time to flat iron their hair or do not know how to blow dry it the proper way. I think this is really good. It helps a lot. It's pretty easy and practical. I think if you have a lot of layers, this would make it look really nice. I personally do not have layers on my hair, but I can totally see this as maybe adding volume to the back. But so far, I'm loving it. It does get a little hot. Maybe I feel the heat more because, like I said, my hair is dry and it's supposed to be wet. So I will try it both ways, wet and dry. But for now, we're gonna keep going. This is what we have so far. I need to check it over on the mirror because I can't really see it because I don't have a mirror in front of me. But I'm going to check it, and I'm also going to go cut a little bit of my hair because the tips are a little burned. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did trim a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. Probably like 2 inches of my hair. And it looks a lot better than how it was. I'm gonna go over it one more time. First of all, it only took me, honestly, like 10 minutes to get my hair from how it was to this. It was not even that much. Also, I do not have a lot of hair, so I don't know if that plays a part on it. I do want to try it on with my hair wet to see how long it takes, but dry, it literally took 10 minutes. Super quick, fast. I do not feel it tangled, but also I do feel it like it's a little flat for me. Like I don't see a lot of volume. That's just me. But again, I don't have that much hair, so maybe, and also it's not layered, it's one length, that's it. So like I mentioned, if you do have your hair layered, it can definitely add volume. I want to try it on my mom too because my mom has different layers, and I can totally see her having a lot of volume all over. Also, I like the fact that it has different speeds and also cool air. So if you do use cool air after you're done blow drying your hair, that's going to seal it. If you wish to put like a little oil to make it softer, you can too. I didn't because my hair is already very oily. Like it doesn't need extra oil, or maybe for shine I can always put it on the tips. But since I did cut it right now 2 inches, like I said, it makes a big difference. Also, let's talk price point. This, honestly, I think it's really affordable for what you're getting. I did get it for $44 from Amazon, but it retails, I want to say $60 to $44. It depends. If you find it on sale, you can definitely snatch it for $44. So I highly recommend it. It's gonna save you time, and it's super easy to use. Anybody can use it, like literally anybody. And you guys saw how I was doing it. Just make sure, I mean, that's just when the hair is dry. I wonder if when it's wet you're able to do that. I don't think you want to. You probably want to take it slow, like so that it dries your entire hair. What else? I noticed that it got very dirty right away. I don't know if you guys can see my hair right there. You definitely have to clean it after every use just to make sure that it doesn't get super dirty and yucky. But if it's your own, your personal, I mean, I guess if you don't mind, you don't have to clean it all the time, but do clean it sometimes. And I like it. It's not so heavy. It's a good size. That's how it looks. And what else? The handle is comfortable. I mean, I didn't have any issues. At one point of the video, I was using a hairbrush, which I have right here. And the reason why I was using it to hold the hair just because it was pretty hot. And I didn't want to like hold it with my actual hand. So that's the reason why I was using this brush and combing it. I was combing the hair with both brushes at the same time so that I wouldn't burn my hand because it was pretty hot. I believe it comes in 2 different colors, the hot pink with black and also blue with black. I went with the hot pink just because I thought it was cuter, but yeah, there's 2 different colors in case you guys were wondering. What else can I tell you about this product? overall, I love it. I can totally see it being mommy friendly because, you know, as we're always so busy. Well, I mean, I'm talking from personal experience. I'm super busy. I hardly ever have time to do my hair. That's one of the things that it takes me forever because most of the time before I discovered this, I would just wait until it dries and then, so either I would curl it or iron it. But I can definitely see this being very helpful for every day. It does get pretty hot, so please do use a product that is going to protect your hair. Definitely, or else your hair is going to get pretty burned, especially if you're using it every single day. So use a heat protector. Usually I wear my hair curly just because, as you can see, my roots are like all the way up to here. I do plan on bleaching my hair and doing the whole little highlights on my own. Maybe I will do a video for you guys. Maybe. I say maybe because I'm not sure. I'm not a professional, but I do everything on my hair just because, I don't know, I've been doing it for so long that I'm so used to doing it myself. The last time I did get a hair color professionally, it was the first and last actually. It's when they bleach this hair, and that's the reason why the roots are all the way down here. But I'm gonna blend them in, and I already have everything. I order everything off Amazon, and I'm excited to be fixing it pretty soon. Hopefully by next week my hair is a completely different color, and also this is not the way it is now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial / review on the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer. I honestly highly recommend it. I love the price. You cannot go wrong with the price. Anyone is able to use this product. Honestly, anyone. I feel like even my mom, like I said, my mom doesn't do her hair often, but she has curly hair and it's in layers, pretty short, and she got one herself as well, and I'm excited to teach her how to use it, just because she was like, I'm not sure how to use it. But honestly, you guys, it's super simple. There's no instructions of how to use it, but you kind of just, in my opinion, you work with the motions, or either you do the circles like I was doing, or you can just let the heat dry your hair and make it straight. And again, I'll give you guys a quick example of what I mean, because you might be a little confused with what I'm saying. Okay, so either you grab it like this, you grab your piece of hair, and you do this, and just run the brush all the way down until it's dry. Or another thing that you can do, honestly, is multiple things. You can spin as you go. Spin, 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 spin. And then it'll also give you like a little, you know, like a curve, so it's not so flat. But if you like it flat, that's fine too. Another thing that you can do to give yourself volume, you can grab a piece from the back, just like that, put it behind it, and then lift it up like so. I hope I'm able to show you guys. I hope you guys are able to see, but just like that. And of course it has to be on, and this is gonna lift up. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair looks after I use the brush or dryer with my hair wet. And I honestly like it way better when your hair is wet than dry. And literally it took me 10 minutes to do it. Super easy, fast. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is also a different color than it was yesterday. And I trimmed it. Well, I trimmed it yesterday like 2 inches, and today I trimmed it even more. So that's why it looks a lot shorter. I'm loving it, and I have a video for you guys on how I color my hair and all that stuff. So that's going to be coming up on my next video, also this week. I'm excited, you guys. It is a great product. I love the fact that it's affordable. It's not super expensive. It's not going to break the bank. $44, that's how much I pay for it. I want to incorporate more beauty videos and also fashion videos into my channel because I have tons of clothes. And I just want to show you guys. And this bodysuit, it's actually a bodysuit. Super cute. I got it from Shein. And again, you guys, I want to do like hauls, and little what's it called, lookbooks for you guys. So if you're interested in those type of videos, be sure to let me know in the comments down below so that I can make them. If you get to try this product, please be sure to tag me or on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at LeslieJoanna_. I would love to feature you guys' hairstyle or whatever it is, the products that I recommend on my story, so that everyone can see that we are a community. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!